Hey guys, this is episode 3 of Deadbolt. We will hopefully get 1 or 2 missions done this video. Alright, load. Let me just... this place. Roland. Say Reaper coming. What? Oh, so Roland said that I'm coming? Garble. Oh yeah, Roland say Reaper coming. That makes more sense. I just had to repeat it. Alright, let me just turn off this light. 3 shots, not bad. Hold on. I'm gonna... They have... Oh, that's cool. Just the way he dies. Ah, that looked like I was about to die. Some good music. Screw you. Every time I feel like I'm about to die whenever that part comes up. Wow, that was terrible. Duh. Oof. Alright, I'm gonna go... Okay, shotgun this guy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This would be way more useful than that shotgun. I did not see him there. That very much makes me mad. Oh, that'd be cool. Really slow fire rate. No, I hate how that door's open. Whew, okay. They're all facing that way. Alright, let's get a piece of cake over here. Oh, he looked at me. I did not like that. I'm gonna... Oof. Every time that scares me. Find information. I saw it over here. Oh my gosh, that is so many keys. How long can this thing stretch? How small? Oh, it's like changing. It's not stretching, it's changing. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Screw that mission. I hate that mission. It's hard. Oh, 5-star. Heck yeah. I got 90 souls. We might as well get something over here. Okay, let's get this. Ooh, that looks like a magnum. That looks dope. Alright. I have to burn it, burn the dead, and get the souls. I have to destroy it all, but I should kill the undead first before I destroy it. Okay. Oh, you need more men protecting the ash. Bring your own. Oof, it's like a fight. Yeah, let me equip it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doesn't have much ammo, but still it has I'm just gonna, there we go. Oh, I just scared that guy so much. Whoa, how's he not falling? How's he not falling? Thanks for opening the door for me. Lou. Hezer. No! Ooh. Oh my gosh, that was way too close. Ugh. Oh, okay. This game scares me way too much. Come on, you won't. You dead. Should I just like... She doesn't know where it happened from. I don't have any guns. I'll just... Wait, she calm down. Okay, wait, no, wait, what? She just... That's like the worst. She's like guarding all the guns. No, leave me alone. Give me this hammer. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer. It's amazing. Okay. Get rid of the camera. Oh, he's puffing. Oh. What? Okay, like, I'm just gonna like... Okay, I'm just gonna run away. But I'll go up and I'll go behind him. Okay, nope. I hate this game. Okay. Let's get that prepped. Shots! And then he's like that, and then I'm like, yeet. Then go this, and then I'm gonna go like that. I'm like, no, okay, no. Oh, no. I'll just, there you go. Okay, wait, can I use it again? No. Good night. He's like, as soon as they're both far away. I'm not sure about the fire rate of this thing. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to die. Oof. No! Duh. Oh, man, this game gives me spooks. I hate it. Oh my gosh. And once again, she's guarding it. Why? Don't you come up here. I'll whip you behind, boy. No, turn it back on. Turn it back on. Alright, can you please, like, go for cover? 'Cause I need this gun over here. Oh, cassette. Okay. Wow, I was clenching right there. I don't like that thing. Get out of here, boy. Let me just come over here. No, no, no. Leave me alone. Okay, he's not dead. Right, he's dead now. Oh no. No, 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 no. Shut the door. Oh, I still have a bullet. Okay. So I just like... Okay, oh, he's dead now. Okay, okay, okay. We can do this, we can do this. Yeah, it's just hard hitting the like button hard enough. Oh my... Why? It's all your fault, viewers. I'm just kidding. It's all my fault. No, 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 no. That's not how it goes. You die. Alright, that's how it goes. Come on, come on. You did. You did. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You did. Alright. Turn off the lights. That. Headshot, headshot. Yes. Okay. Don't. Come here, come here. I dare you. I dare you. Come on, as soon as he goes out of cover. Okay. Okay. That's like a really bad spread. Oh no, he's looking at me. I don't like that. Should I just... Oh. Dead now. No, 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 no. I hate those guys. Just the worst. Die. Right, there you go. Am I safe? Nope. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, okay. That was too close. I hate how close these shots are. Run. I should just spawn on him. Nope. I hate this game. Okay. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. You did. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, give me, give me, give me, give me. Okay. I think you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Yep, yep. You're dead. Run that, this. I'll wait for him to try and turn off the lights. It's probably the best idea. Got him. Lights back off. So I'm just gonna get as close as I can. Wow, I can't believe that actually kills him. Okay, I hate this guy right here. I can't kill him. This guy is the worst. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. That's all you needed to do. Oh, I feel really stupid. Can I just like... No? So I just gotta like... Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, there you go, buddy. Why is there another door over here? Why? Okay. Alright. Oh, okay, that vent also is useful. Okay. Video's gonna be over as soon as I get back. Did really bad. 3-star. Wow, that is really bad. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. See you guys on the flip-flop, or probably the next video. Goodbye.